Hello and welcome back to Call to Claim channel, where you are called to claim free crypto airdrop. So today, if you're happy, I want you guys to show me that you are happy by subscribing to this channel, because I give you guys the tips and tricks on how to make money online on cryptocurrency. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys a little bit of this. Okay, so if you're happy, here we go on Happy Miner. Okay, so we're gonna be going on step by step, okay, on how to sign up on this. Okay, this site is legit. Okay, for now you can go in and make your research, okay, so you know that you can invest your money with your heart, okay, not being skipped. So we'll be going for this. Let me say, okay, first of all, what we're gonna do is you're gonna put in your email address, your password, confirm your password. Okay, if you have a referral code, you put it here. Okay, then you now put in this word you're seeing here. Okay, so let's do it. So now all you have to do is to agree to the terms. Okay, you click this this little box you're seeing here. Okay, now I've clicked on it, that's why it's blue. You click on it, then I click submit. See registration successful, right? So let's see how the interface is. I'm gonna pause this to log in my account. Okay, this is my account that is going on loading. So we have to wait for it to load to see the main interface. Okay, as you can see here, available balance is $10. Wow. Okay, available balance, total deposit is 0. Okay, total earn is $10. Okay, total withdraw is 0. Okay, as you can see here, this is the total withdraw. Okay, is 0 because it's a new account. Okay, my available balance is $10. Okay, I never knew this platform give a sign up bonus. So as you can see here, this is my sign up bonus, and here is the total deposit, which is 0. Okay, so let's go around and see how the side is. As you can see here, that is the reward which I'm being rewarded. Okay, so you guys should go in this. Okay, this is my referral link, and it's gonna be in my comment section. I'm gonna pin it there. I want you guys to go in there and click on it and register. Okay, do your own research. If you feel this platform is a scam, but as you can see here, they have been around over since 2018 to 2023. Happy Miner, and people are really investing on this. Okay, so you can go in and invest as little as you can afford, okay, to lose. Okay, don't be so eager to make money. Okay, you know money is hard to get these days, so you guys should be wise. Okay, so when I say withdraw, let's see how this goes. Let's click on withdraw. For the first withdraw, please set your withdrawal address, right? Available balance $10, withdraw history, status, amount, and so on. So I'm just gonna click on this. Okay, if you want to set in your account for withdrawal. Okay, so now look at this. You see the account, choose a payment type. Okay, this is the place you're gonna put your wallet, and then click get code. Okay, the code is gonna be sent to your email. As you can see here, email verification code. Okay, so then I click save. Alright, so if you click on this choose a payment, you can see they have a variety of USDT, which is TRC20. They have BTC, network Bitcoin, LTC network Litecoin, Ethereum, USDT F20, Ethereum, USDC, and so on, and BCH, and so on. Bitcoin Cash, you see here. So that is how it is. So with that being said, let's go to the next step. Okay, the packages which you can invest on. Okay, they got varieties of packages here. He said we provide consistent daily payouts for each contract in the desired cryptocurrency, making our business plan extremely dependable and profitable. Okay, so as you can see, they've got 10,000 contract price. Okay, and which lasts for 28 days. Daily rate 3%. Okay, start now if you want to click on that. Primary mining, we have got $10 contract price, fixed return 10 plus 0.8 cent, which is a day daily rate. Okay, 8%. You can start for that one. You can start with that one. Contract address, contract price, which is $100. See, the one that people are going for, you are seeing hot. Okay, like this one here, you are seeing here hot. Okay, people are really going for that one. April Fool's Day. Okay, my Bitcoin mining 2.17%. This one is already sold out. Okay, you can check them, they're already sold out, so they ain't available. Okay, see, the one that is available is $500 here, which is this one. Okay, $500 available. Let's check another one that's available. So many have been sold out. $1,200 is available. The one you see start now. Okay, 3,000 is available. Okay, 6,000 is available, and so on. This one has been sold out. Filecoin mining. Okay, so you can go for the $10. Like, let me see this one here. It says start now. Click on it. Okay, the contract price $10, fixed return. Okay, 10 plus 0.8. Contract 1 day. Return type daily return, daily rate, which is 8%, and so refer reward. So when you refer, when you click on my link and refer and sign up, you have been earning a little. Okay, each amount is limited to a copy per day. Okay, purchase instruction, please carefully understand the package information before purchasing an order. If you have any questions about the package, you can consult our 24 hours online customer service and so on. You can read these through, okay, before doing anything. Then I click on start now. Okay, so if you, I don't want to go into it. So for now, I'm just going to take my time in checking things. So as you can see, I've shown you guys the withdraw stage, which is this one. Okay, now I've shown you guys the packages, okay, which is this one. So let's go for the billing. Let's see what is in for the billing. Okay, this is my status, $10. Okay, that's for the billing. So let's go for the others. Okay, there's nothing for the others. So as you can see, you guys should check this out. Okay, this is the home, this is the dashboard, this is the deposit, this is the withdrawal, this is the packages, this is the billing, this is the order, and here we go, the affiliate and the settings. Okay, so right now, you guys, let's go for the affiliate. Okay, you can actually refer your friends. Okay, tell them about this platform, and they're gonna, the affiliate program doesn't include $10 primary mining. Okay, note, affiliate program doesn't include $10 primary mining. Okay, we allow you to earn money by recommending our website to others. See that you can start making money even if you do not invest. You will earn up to 4.5% of their purchase on each order. Sorry for that. See the link below. Copy paste that link and share it with your friends and earn a massive referral reward. You see that? So that is it, guys. And the last but not the least, let's check out the deposit. Okay. Okay, this is my available balance, $10. Choose payment method. Choose your payment method. Okay, like you remember they said the minimum deposit is $100. Wow, minimum is $100. Say please fill in the TXID transaction ID hash number after the transfer is completed. Okay, so all you have to do is to choose. Remember to say TRC20 network. So this is a TRC20, which is this one. You now click on the amount. You say $100. Okay, you now click on deposit. Let's see what is next. Now they're going to tell you copy this address here. Okay, the deposit will be processed within 30 minutes. Uploading the XID through transaction ID hash number in is recommended. You can consult the 24 hours online customer service if you have any question. Now when you do this, okay, in your Trust Wallet or any of this thing, you're going to see the hash rate, okay, ID. So you're just going to copy it and paste. So then they're going to check on it, okay, and confirm that truly you have deposited the $100. So if you love what I just showed you guys, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. Okay, it is free. Okay, I'm not charging for anybody to subscribe or like and share. Okay, and YouTube ain't charging anybody. Okay, so everything is all free. So I want you guys to go in there and subscribe. Thank you, and this is call to claim.